Quantower versus Bookmap. Which trading platform wins? Choosing the right trading platform can transform your market analysis and execution without overwhelming complexity. Quantower offers multi-asset flexibility, while Bookmap excels in detailed order flow visualization. Quantower and Bookmap are powerful trading platforms designed for active traders. The core difference lies in their focus. Quantower provides comprehensive multi-asset trading with advanced charting, whereas Bookmap specializes in real-time order flow and market depth visualization. Quantower is a multi-asset trading platform supporting stocks, futures, options, and cryptocurrencies. It integrates advanced charting tools, customizable layouts, and a wide range of technical indicators. Traders can connect to multiple brokers and data providers simultaneously, enabling seamless portfolio management. Quantoware's strength lies in its flexibility and depth, offering features like algorithmic trading, advanced order types, and a modular interface tailored to professional traders. However, this versatility comes with a learning curve, making it better suited for experienced traders who demand broad market access and customization. While it supports order flow analysis, it is not as specialized in this area compared to dedicated platforms. Ideal users include active traders and professionals managing diverse asset classes who want a robust, all-in-one solution with powerful execution and analytics capabilities, as detailed on Quantower's official site. Bookmap is a specialized trading platform focused on real-time order flow visualization and market liquidity. It provides a unique heat map interface that displays market depth, volume, and order book dynamics with millisecond precision. This granular insight allows traders to identify support and resistance levels and anticipate price movements based on supply and demand shifts. Bookmap supports futures, stocks, and cryptocurrencies through various data feeds, emphasizing transparency in market microstructure. Its strength is in delivering unparalleled order flow clarity, which helps scalpers and high-frequency traders make informed decisions. However, Bookmap's niche focus means it lacks the multi-asset trading and broad technical analysis features found in platforms like Quantower. It is best suited for traders who prioritize order book and volume analysis over traditional charting, especially those engaged in short-term trading or liquidity detection, as outlined on Bookmap's official resources. Comparing Quantower and Bookmap's official resources. Comparing Quantower and Bookmap highlights different trader needs. Quantower excels for those requiring a multi-asset platform with advanced charting, broker integrations, and algorithmic trading tools. It suits traders managing diverse portfolios and using a variety of technical strategies. Bookmap, on the other hand, offers unmatched order flow visualization, ideal for scalpers and traders focused on market microstructure and liquidity. While Quantower provides some order flow features, Bookmap's heat map and depth analysis are more detailed and responsive. The trade-off involves breadth versus specialization. Quantower covers many asset classes with broad functionality, whereas Bookmap zeroes in on order book transparency. For example, a futures trader seeking deep order flow insights may prefer Bookmap, while an options trader wanting multi-broker access and customizable charts might lean toward Quantower. Choose Quantower if you need a versatile multi-asset platform with advanced charting and broker flexibility for comprehensive portfolio management and trading strategies. Opt for Bookmap if your focus is on real-time order flow and market depth analysis to gain a competitive edge in short-term trading and liquidity detection. Both platforms excel in their domains, so select based on your trading style and priorities.